Saturday, May 23rd, 09:54 a.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. This is an educational video towards fractional shares. Fractional shares are portions of a company's stock or ETF that amount to less than one full share. Instead of buying a whole share, investors use dollar-based investing to purchase a specific monetary amount, such as or resulting to the ownership of a partial share. Give you an example. I'm going to show you several stock ETFs. The price closed from Friday. And if you want to go out and buy shares, fractional shares come Monday, one of the methods that could be done. I have several brokers. Some of them are specifically for stocks and other financial instruments. Well, one of them I'm going to show you lets me do multiple things: stocks, futures, options, commodities, fractional shares, crypto. But this current broker I'm going to show you it supports the purchase and sell fractional shares. Additional, they support the accumulation, transfer, and sell fractional shares. Not necessary to all brokers offer the feature to trade fractional shares, nor let you transfer fractional shares from one company broker to another. The one I use and how most brokers work for fractional shares, you have to use a market order for the day for the transaction. My broker, the minimum purchase price for fractional shares is $5 worth of shares. The max purchase quantity is 0.99 shares. Not available. Again, fractional shares not available pre-market or after hours. They're available for the regular trading session. And you cannot short fractional shares. A little more insight. I have a broker called Tasty Trade. I have a broker called Charles Schwab, and I have other brokers. The first two I just mentioned, they let you trade fractional shares. They have slight difference of rules. You go to the website, look at those. You could contact them through email, or you could call and speak to a living, breathing person. I highly recommend you not guess on what their policy is, or guess how to use their either phone app or desktop trading platform to trade. Get education on it. Don't take the risk of making mistakes. So I'll show you something here. These are two stock indexes, ETFs, on the same financial asset. It says right there, US dollar index. The one on the left is bullish. Stock symbol is UUP. And the one on the right is the bearish. Stock symbol UDN. Yep. So if you're bullish the dollar, if you want to buy the dollar in stocks or fractional share, the symbol is on the left, UUP. If you're bearish, again on the right, UDN. See, they trade in first. Look at the charts. One's going up, one's going down. You can also participate in the US dollar index, in the futures markets, and in the options market. But understand, this is not a pair. Again, let's look at the left. The US dollar index, it's an index, not a pair. What is a pair? Pair is when you have two currencies, such as the US dollar and Chinese yuan. When you have the euro, US dollar, those are pairs. Index is when it's comprised of several. So in this being example, currencies, US dollar index is composed of several currencies. I have other videos showing all those. Now let's go to the desktop trading platform, specifically Tasty Trade, and show you here. On the top left, I have the stock symbol cued into the symbol, Uniform Delta November. What is that? I just showed you. If you're bearish the US dollar, you could trade this one. The stock closed Friday, $18.17. That's the last trade. So again, the market's closed. These prices not valid anymore. Come Monday, well, Monday's a holiday. So come trading day, Tuesday. Again, this is the process doing it on the desktop trading forum. You cue in the stock symbol. You click on the word ask. Down at the bottom right, order type. Remember I said they require it to be a market order. Change it to a market order. Remember I mentioned the time in Forex must be a day. You can't just sit it there and let it hopefully get filled 4, 5, 6, 7 days later. That's not how it works for this. Now, on this right-hand side, where I'm hovering over, it says BFEFF 916. Buying power affected. That's going to change. Okay, but the clue here is it needs to be a minimum of $5. Remember, this broker, the minimum purchase amount is $5 worth of shares. Now I'm going to go here on the bottom left to Q. Fractional shares. 0.09. So look on the buying power effect on the far right. It just went to 0.82. Remember, it's got to be a minimum of $5. So we need to change that. Try 0.9. There it goes. It works. $8.24. So do that. It's a market order. When you send that through, there's going to be a couple things to take in situation awareness before you do that. Market orders will get filled at whatever the current market price is. So when you push this order in, the underlying stock, again on the top left, 1817, once that gets order, the stock might already be up at $20 or down to 17. Well, then this amount will be different. Understand? Yeah. So also the liquidity, the spread, all those variable. Let's go to, if you're bullish the US dollar, UUP. Let's go back to the chart again. On the left, if you're bullish, if you want to buy US dollar index, symbol UUP. So make sure it's queued in there. Type in the word or click on activate ask, limit order, change the market order. Again, it closed Friday, $27.77. Let's get closest again. Look at the buying power on the far right, $13.97. Let's get closest as possible to $5. Do a fraction, 0.09. Let's do that. $12.58. Let's go lower. 0.7. Let's go even lower. 0.4. There we go. So, because the stock closed Friday, $27.77. The closest to get to this to $5, the buying power effect to meet the minimum, 0.04. And then when you're ready, send the order, review and send. Check the information on that screen that pops up next. Yep. So let's clear this out. Now let's go look at the S&P 500 stock ETF, SPY. Closed Friday, $745. You may not want to risk $745.59 to buy one share. Again, you could do this dollar cost average. So you could make anytime during the market average, you could buy fractional shares. It's a great thing. Instead of risking minimum of one share for your investment portfolio, you can simply do $5, $5, $5, $20, whatever you want to, or as long as it doesn't buy the minimum, the max one share. Yep. So here, click on the ask, order type, market. It's $371. Let's get close as possible to $5. Do a fraction. Let's go to 0.9. Just see what it queues into. $334. Then let's try that. 0.09. $33. Just trying to get an example here, close as possible, $5. So a fraction, so 0.02. $7. 0.01. Oh, it's below now, too low. So it says buying power effect, $3.71. Again, it needs to be a minimum of $5. So let's do this. 0.01 out of 9. There we go. Let's try again, a little bit lower. 0.17. Oh, one more. Let's do 0.16. So the fractional share quantity, 0.016, brought it down to $5.94. Sure, I could adjust it. You could do this on your own. And that's how many fractional shares you would own of, again, fractional share, part of a whole share. So you'd own 0.016 fractional share of SPY for a price of $5.94. Again, you could take this higher. Just showing the example, close to possible 5. And let's do this to a single stock. Maybe you heard of NVIDIA. Close $215. Click on Ask. Order type, market. Go to quantity of fraction shares, 0.9. And look on the buying power effect, $96.44. Let's go 0.9. So 0.09. See how close that gets to 5? $9.64. Let's do 0.07. $7.50. 0.05. $5.36. So again, I meet the threshold. If I want to do a fractional share, it's still minimum $5 here. That's how it worked. Of course, these fractional shares, as the stock goes higher, the stock ETF go higher, your gains come in. That's how you can do fractional shares. Not necessary to all brokers let you do fractional shares with all stocks. So again, you might have an issue. Maybe they don't let you do it with penny stocks or stocks in China. Again, different brokers have different policies. So if you're having problems trying to do a transaction on a fractional share of any stock ETF, stock index, single stock, different brokers have different policies. So check with your broker. Get that answer. But I just showed you stocks that are very popular that work on the opportunity to invest dollar cost average fractional shares. Thank you as always. Spend just a little time with me for this video. That's it. Thanks for watching.